Hello, it's Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. I'm going to show you this wonderful new shade structure kit that my clients have been recommending to me, and a couple of them have used and installed. So I shot some video of the ones that they picked, two different models. So this is the purple leaf shade structure. It is a synthetic shade structure, mostly metal, but what's really amazing about this shade structure are three things. It is a louvered shade structure, so it gives you a tremendous amount of versatility. You can completely close it if you need shade or protection from the rain. It is a kit. It takes two guys about 2 days to put this all together. But what's really cool about these louvers that open and close is if you close it, it is completely waterproof, and it's designed to take all that water, channel it into those little gutters in each one of the louvers that then take it to the beam, that then take it out the post, and then if you want, you can connect your post to a drainage area. It also has these wonderful clips, so you can clip on these cafe lights, which is what this particular client did. They did a really cool job with these cafe lights. We had an outlet that was right there, so just clip the cafe lights to those little posts. Really kind of neat. This one was installed on a paver patio, and so the way that that gets installed is once we finalized the exact location of the posts, we moved them to one side, poured a little concrete footing, only about 12 inches by 12 inches by 12 inches, bolted them to that, and then cut the pavers around the footing, and that is enough to anchor it. The great thing about this shade structure, it's so lightweight, it doesn't need these giant footings. If you had a wood shade structure, it would weigh about 4 times as much, and you would have footings that were at least 3 times as much. All right, let me show you a different use and a different yard for this. Now, this one was installed on an existing concrete patio. And again, because it's lightweight, we just used these little deadhead screws and bolted it to the existing concrete patio. This one was ordered with some of the accessories. So in this case, it was ordered with these LED lights, and the electrician then installed a switch right there in the post to make it real easy to turn on. And again, what's wonderful is because these are hollow synthetic beams and posts, the electrical conduit was just run right through the post. So it was very clean. It also has these little shutters that go up and down. So these just work on a chain and they go up and down, and they're really great if you have a patio situated where you have some low sun at certain times of the year and you want to block that sun from interfering with your patio. Here's a bigger look at the patio. We even added a little basketball hoop into the lawn and a putting green on their side and the wonderful play structure at the far end. Well, there he is. That's our look at this wonderful purple leaf shade structure. There are links in the comments section. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.